Today, I'm going to introduce you to Diana. Diana is an AI agent that someone named Danny built out on my team. Essentially, Danny's job was to help enrich our leads. He would go in and find out information about these different companies. But ever since Monday launched their AI agent, he said to himself, why can't I build an AI agent to do this? And that's exactly what he did. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can build out an AI agent and what Diana can do. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tara. I'm the founder of Simple Day. We are Monday.com Platinum Partners, and over the last 4 years, we've helped hundreds of companies use Monday.com. We set up custom implementation so that way Monday.com works for you. If you need any assistance with Monday, feel free to get in touch. My contact information is in the description below. And now I'm going to hand this video over to Danny.
Hi there. So what I want to show you today is the beauty and ease of building Monday agents and how much time they can save you. The problem that we've had, well, I wouldn't call it a problem, but the work that we've done up till now is every new deal that we have, we're manually searching the web to get the city, state, country, and industry and company size of the company that we have a deal with. Obviously, it takes time and it's a lot of manual work. But now with Monday agents, it's super quick, super easy, and fully automated by the agent. So let me show you how we built this. We have here our table. I'm going to copy the URL of the board in question and have it open there as well in a separate view so we can see the agent in action afterwards. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go to our agents, or we can go to AI agents over here. It's the same thing. Either way, it gets to the agent builder. And we're going to come and build a new agent. I'm going to put into the agent what I wanted to build. This should be on the board. There we go. I'm giving it instructions and go, and the agent will start being built. I'm going to change it from Marie to Diana, lead data manager. You can change the avatar if you want. You can change the background as well if you want. I'm going to keep it neutral and let's onboard Diana. There we go. Which board is confirming we want it to be in the My Deals board. Here's all the details, all the instructions for the agent, what needs to be done, step-by-step instructions, operating principles, outputs, and it is busy building out the agent now. Here we go. You can see it's busy updating the instructions of what it needs to do. Access added, item created, all company changes, added instructions. Here's everything that it configured to do. And yes, we want to run a test. So that while this is running, let's look at this board. And you should see the data automatically populating over here as we speak. I'm going to, in fact, make it a split view so we can see both at the same time. And there we go. You can see on the left that the agent's busy running, searching the web, getting information. And we'll see here shortly the data being added. There we go. City, state, country, industry, and company size. And that's it. And now all that's left to do is activate. And every time we have a new deal, or as instructions said, for whatever reason, the company name changes, the agent is going to do the work for me and add all of this information automatically. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you get good use out of your Monday agents, and it will start saving you all the time that the agent is built to save you.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.